In this video, we will learn together how to add your personal address in the Temu app step by step so you can easily and accurately receive your orders. First, open the Temu app on your device and log into your account using your personal details. After logging in, you will find the Profile, your U option, at the bottom of the screen or in the side menu. Tap on this option to access your account information. When you enter the profile page, you will notice a Addresses section where you can add or edit your address. Tap on this section and you will see all the addresses you may have previously added, if any. If you don't have any address added before, you will find the Add New Address option at the bottom. Tap on it. After tapping on Add New Address, a form will appear for you to fill in your address details. Enter all the required information such as full name, street number, city postal code, phone number, optional but preferred for easier communication. Country, make sure that all the information you entered is completely correct, especially the postal code and geographic location, as this will facilitate the shipping process and ensure your orders reach the correct place. After completing the form, tap the Save or Add button, and your new address will be successfully added to your account. And that's it. You have added your address to the Temu app with ease. We hope this video has provided you with useful instructions.